Hello Ganofinians and welcome back to C programming tutorials. And this is your Ganofins here, and this is your sixth tutorial, I guess. In this tutorial I'm going to tell you about the decision making statement in C programming language. Decision making structures require that the programmer specify one or more conditions to be evaluated tested by the program along with a statement or statements to be executed if the condition is determined to be true, and optionally other statement to be executed if the condition is determined to be false. Well, there are different kinds of statements in decision making structure. First one is if statement, second is if else statement, third is nested if statement, fourth is switch statement, fifth one is nested switch statement. So let's first discuss about the if statement. What is if statement? For example, if you are making a voting program, for example, if first of all you add a box in which you have to enter your age, how old you are. For example, I am 19 years old, then I will enter 19, and you know the voting about the voting election, that if you are greater than 18, if you are equal to or greater than 18, then you have the right to vote. So if I will enter my age in that box 19, then then it will show the message that you are able to vote. And if somebody's age is 16 or less than 18, then he or she will enter his or her age 16 or 17, whatever, then it will show the message as you are not able to vote. It happens due to the if statement. There are different kinds of if statement: simple if statement, if else statement, nested if else statement, else if statement. Let me show you the syntax of the if statement. If statement is executed is written in this syntax in a C program. Here you write if, and here your condition. Well, here the variables comes if C is greater than equals to 18, then here you can write the message print f you are able to walk. Here this was the syntax of your if statement in C programming. Now it comes on if else statement. Here, if you have more than two conditions in a program, then you can use if else statement. The syntax of if else statement is similar to the if statement. Here, let me show you. This is the statement first. Here you can write statement first, and this was the condition. And now here it comes on else, if else. And here it's your second, you can see statement 2. If, for example, if you write here anything, well, if this condition will be false, then it will go on this else statement, and it will print this message that if I write here, for example, age, if my age is greater than equals to 18, it will print that message that you are able to vote. If the condition is false, for example, if I write here enter my age as 17, then it will go to this statement and print this statement, whatever message I write here. Now on the third, it comes on nested if else statement. You can combine multiple if else if letters when a series of decisions are involved, so you can make sure that your program executes certain instructions when a series of conditions are met. This nested if-else statement is used when you have many, you can say two or more than two conditions in a program. Then you have to use this nested if-else statement. If you have condition in this then you can use another if in this inside the curly brackets of that if statement. You will get detailed information on this nested if else and if statement on my next videos. Well, now comes on switch statement. Switch statements are also used when we need our program to make a certain decision based on a condition and then execute accordingly. Let me show you the syntax of the switch statement. It is written in this form. Here we write the variable on which variable we are applying our switch statement, and here it comes the case, for example case first, and here we write a expression, constant expression, and then it comes on the break. We write the break statement, and then the case 2. Similarly it goes up to, at last it comes on the default statement. If not any condition is going to true in case 1, case 2 or case any numeric, then the default statement will going to execute and it will show whatever the message, or it will print the message on the screen. And here break statement is used to break the first case if it is not true, because if we not write the break statement, it will print every case on your screen. That's why break statement is so important. Now it comes on nested switch statement. It is similar to nested if else statement. If you have too many conditions, then you can use nested switch statement, which we will use in our next videos in detail. I hope you got to know about these decision making statements. If you have any query or questions related to these decision making statements, you can ask me in the comment sections below. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Just subscribe for getting updates with my channel. Thanks for watching the video and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys again for watching the video. Thanks a lot.